Hello, it's Yukiko of My Goddess Path, and I'm sitting here at the Lady of Avalon Spring at the end of a beautiful autumn day. How was your Thanksgiving? And how has this time been for you as you look into what you are grateful for? It's been a very difficult year for many of us. And we are now moving into a very, very powerful new moon at the end of this week on Saturday, very early in the morning. So, for some of us, it'll be Friday night into Saturday morning. This new moon in Sagittarius is going to come with a full solar eclipse. And there's just so many different energies moving at this time, which for me denotes a real time of shifting into our own truth. And that might be very different from where we have been. It's about shifting into the real truth of your own soul. And that takes a great deal of courage and trust. Trust in the workings and the connections of your own soul with life, with Goddess, with the divine, with nature. And to be able to come down into the center of our own heart and soul and down from the tower of thought, which is so easily influenced in a way and can also become so easily stuck in a rut. Are you willing at this time to move out of those well-defined places, the ruts, and to come into a different place of looking at the world, of clearing your vision? These are going to be very important things in this coming lunar cycle of the new moon and the full moon. And I really want to invite you to join me in investigating this relationship in the waxing and the waning of the moon. It's a rhythm that is so ancient and really connects us back into our feminine ancestors, into our mother line, and to go back into this remembering of connections with the universe, with earth energies, with the cosmos, with the stars, and with the moon and the sun, but especially the moon. So I hope you'll join me in this moon ritual circle that I am leading through the new and the full moons. It's a way of reconnecting back into what is really important within ourselves, so that we can inspire what is really important, that is wanting to come alive in the world. I hope to see you there. Links are below for more information and to register. Blessed be.